Good morning. So today I am going to discuss assignment questions. Okay, and it is assignment question set 1. Okay. So first of all we will be balancing some of the equation. Okay. And come to question number 41. Simply we will balance these questions. Okay, then we will be starting from question number 1. Okay, so (41) is balance the following equations. Okay, and it is MnO2 plus HCl to MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2. So I have told you rule for balancing. Okay, that first of all we have to balance a metal. Okay, first of all I have to balance a metal. Then after balancing metal, come to non-metals. Okay, once you balanced non-metal, okay, after balancing the metal, then just go back and check whether the metal is still balanced or not. Okay, when you get assured, okay, that both are balanced, then come to the oxygen present. Okay, if there is oxygen, then balance oxygen both sides. Okay, means that is reactant side and product side. And when you will get assured, okay, that oxygen is balanced, then go back again and see the whether the non-metal and metal is still balanced or not. Okay, once all of these three are balanced, then you look for hydrogen. Okay, and then balance this hydrogen, and by doing this your reaction will be balanced. Okay, so first question, come to the first question. It is assignment question set 1. Okay, so first question is MnO2 plus HCl to MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. So we have to find out the metals. Metal here is manganese. Mn is metal here. Okay, so according to the rule I have told you, at first we have to balance this metal. So reactant side it is manganese and product side it is magnet. Manganese means both side atom of manganese, okay, are equal. Here it is manganese equal to 1, and in this side manganese equal to 1. So manganese is balanced. Now come to chlorine. Non-metals, and okay, and non-metal is chlorine here. So this side it is 2 plus 2, 4 chlorines. 2 plus 2, 4 chlorine is present in product side. Okay, and in reactant side only 1 chlorine is there. So we will multiply this by 4. Okay, now 4 chlorine is present in the reactant, and 2 plus 2, 4 chlorine is present in the product. Now go back to the metal. Metal is manganese 1 here, again it is 1 here. It means still metal is balanced. So we have done two things. We have balanced metal and non-metal. Now come to the oxygen. Okay, so oxygen here it is 2, and oxygen here is 1. So multiply this by 2. Okay, oxygen will get 2, and oxygen is present here 2. Okay, now come to hydrogen. Hydrogen here is 4, and hydrogen 2 into 2, 4. Now you can check number of atom. Okay, in reactant side will be equal to number of atom in product side. How? Mn right here. Reactants are present this side, and products are present this side. Okay, so after balancing, okay, manganese is equal to 1. Okay, chlorine is equal to 4. Oxygen is equal to 2, and hydrogen is equal to 4. In product side, manganese is equal to 1, chlorine is equal to 4, 2 plus 2 4, oxygen is equal to 2, and hydrogen is equal to 2 into 2 4. So you can check manganese in reactant and product side is equal to 1, chlorine both side equal to 4, oxygen both side is equal to 2, and hydrogen both side is equal to 4. It means we can say the reaction is balanced. Okay, now come to second. And second is Na plus O2, Na plus O2 to Na2O. Okay, rule is at first we have to balance metal, then non-metal, then oxygen, then hydrogen. This is the rule. Okay, so at first we will be checking the balancing of metal. We will be doing the balancing of metal. So sodium is metal here, so sodium here it is 1, here it is 2, so multiply it with 2. Now sodium both side number of sodium atom is equal to 2. Okay, oxygen here 2 and oxygen here is 2, means you have to multiply it by 2. So when you will multiply this side by 2, oxygen will become 2 and sodium will become equal to 4. I have told you, once you have balanced metal, then just look for the non-metal. Okay, here metal was sodium, so after balancing sodium, okay, I just simply looked for non-metal, but non-metal is not present here. Oxygen is non-metal, hydrogen is non-metal, but in the balancing I have told you we will not consider these, okay, in non-metal, means other than oxygen and hydrogen, okay, we will suppose them to be non-metal, but for oxygen and hydrogen special case is given there. Okay, so non-metal was sodium, then metal was sodium, then no non-metal is present there, so I balanced sodium here. Okay, so after balancing sodium, I started balancing oxygen. Oxygen here it was 2, so I multiplied this side by 2. Now oxygen is 2 in both cases, but what happened after balancing oxygen, okay, this sodium got disturbed. Okay, this side sodium became equal to 4 and this side it is only 2. So what we have to do is multiply this side by 4. Okay, now 4 sodium, 2 into 2 4 sodium, 2 oxygen and 2 oxygen. Now the equation is balanced. Okay, come to third, H2O2 plus H2O plus O2. Okay, so no metal is here, okay, and no such non-metals are present here. Okay, so only hydrogen and oxygen are present. Okay, sorry, it is product na? H2O2 to H2O plus O2. Okay, so try to balance this. Okay, just multiply this by 2, then oxygen becomes 2 plus 2 4. Here oxygen is only 2, so multiply this by 2. Now oxygen will be equal to 2 into 2 4. Oxygen here is 2 plus 2 4. Hydrogen will be 2 into 2 4. Hydrogen here 2 into 2 4. So it is balanced. Okay, now come to fourth. MgOH whole 2 MgOH whole 2 plus HCl MgCl2 plus H2O. Okay, MgOH whole 2 plus HCl to MgCl2 plus H2O. Okay, first we have to search for metal. Metal is magnesium here. This side it is 1 and in product side also it is 1. Okay, then metal is balanced, then come to non-metals. Non-metal present here is chlorine. Okay, so chlorine in reactant side is 1, chlorine in product side is 2, so multiply this by 2. Now check whether the metal is balanced or not. So metal is magnesium 1, magnesium here it is 1. Okay, means metal is still same. Now chlorine here is 2, chlorine here is 2, metal non-metal both we have balanced. Okay, now come to oxygen. Oxygen here is 2, oxygen here is 1, multiplied by 2, so oxygen is balanced. Now come to hydrogen. 2 into 2 4. Okay, and 2 hydrogen and 2 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, you can check it. Okay, 1 magnesium, 1 magnesium, 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen plus 2 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, 2 into 2 4 hydrogen, and 2 Cl, 2 Cl. So the reaction is balanced. Come to 5. Fe plus O2, Fe plus O2 to Fe2O3. Okay, Fe plus O2 to Fe2O3. So basic rule, first balance the metal. Metal is iron here, so here it is 2, so multiply this with 2 by 2. Okay, now metal is balanced both side. Come to oxygen. Oxygen is here 2, here 3. So this side it is 2, this side it is 3. So how to balance this? Make them equal. How to make them equal? Okay, multiply this by 2. Okay, so that 2 into 3 it will become equal to 6. Okay, because number is not matching now. This side is 3, this side it is 2. So multiply this side by 2, so that 2 into 3 will give you 6 oxygen, and multiply this side by 2, so that 3 into 2 you will get 6 oxygen. But when you will balance oxygen, okay, metal will get disturbed. Means metal here will be 2 into 2 4, and here it is only 2, so multiply this 4. Equation is balanced. 6 is AlOH whole 3, AlOH whole 3 to Al2O3 plus AlOH whole 3 to Al2O3 plus H2O. So if it is AlOH whole 3, okay, then look for the metal. Metal here is 2, aluminum is 2 this side, so multiply this by 2. Now metal is balanced, so if you will multiply this by 2, then metal is balanced. Come to oxygen. Oxygen here is 3 into 2 6. It is OH whole 3 now. OH whole 3 means what? O3H3. Got it? OH whole 3 means what? It is O3S3. O3S3. Okay, and it is multiplied by 2. So it means what? 6 oxygen and 6 hydrogen. Getting it? Means here oxygen present is 6, hydrogen present is 6. Okay, so 3 oxygen is here, so multiply this by 3. Okay, so that 3 plus 3 6 oxygen will be there. Okay, now check for the hydrogen. Hydrogen 3 into 6 6, so reaction is balanced. Now come to 7th. Seventh is NH3 plus CuO NH3 plus CuO to Cu plus N2 plus H2O. Cu plus N2 plus H2O. Okay. So the same rule we will be following, means at first we have to check for the metal. Metal here is copper, so copper is present 1, okay, in both sides, so metal is already balanced. Then come to the non-metal. Non-metal is nitrogen here 2, and it is 1, so multiply this by 2, so nitrogen is 2 and nitrogen is 2. Okay, and just after balancing non-metal you have to go back and check whether the metal is balanced or not. Okay, so copper is 1, copper is 1. Okay, so both are balanced now, metal and non-metal. Now what to do? Just try to balance oxygen. So oxygen here is 1, okay, and oxygen this side is 1, say 1. NH3 plus CuO, okay, Cu plus N2 plus H2, okay. So oxygen is balanced. Come to hydrogen. Hydrogen here is 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6 hydrogen, and here only 2 hydrogens, so multiply this by 3. So when you balanced hydrogen, oxygen got disturbed. How? Oxygen this side became equal to 3. Okay, and this side only 1 oxygen is present. Okay, so you have to multiply this by 3. Okay, now you will see metal got disturbed. Here this side it is 3, here it is only 1, so multiply this by 3. Now check nitrogen, copper, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Copper, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Copper is 3, nitrogen is 2, oxygen is 3, hydrogen is 3 into 2, 6. Okay, copper is 3, nitrogen is 2, oxygen is 3, and hydrogen is 3 into 6. Means copper both side is equal, nitrogen both side is equal, oxygen both side is equal, and hydrogen both side is equal. It means we will say the reaction is balanced now. Okay, come to next question. That is 8. And 8 is Al2SO4 whole 3 Al2SO4 whole 3 plus NaOH 2 ALOH whole 3 ALOH whole 3 plus Na2SO4. Okay, so how to balance this? First rule, find out metal and balance the metal. Metal here is aluminum, this side it is 2, and this side aluminum is only 1, so multiply this by 2. Now metal is balanced. Okay, then if it is SO4, okay, then just try to balance this SO4 both side. Okay, if there is SO4, then try to balance this SO4 both side. So SO4 here is 3, okay, and this side SO4 is only 1, so multiply this by 3. Multiply this by 3. Okay, so what will happen? SO4 will become 3. SO4 will become 3. Okay, SO4 will become 3, but sodium will be 3 into 2, 6. So here it is sodium, so multiply this by 6. Got it? Okay, now you can check aluminum is 2 here, aluminum is 2 here, SO4 is 3 here, SO4 is 3 here, sodium is 3 into 6, sodium is 3 into 6, oxygen is 3 into 6, okay, 3 into 6, okay, and here it is 6 oxygen. Hydrogen is 6 and hydrogen here is 3 into 2, 6. So the reaction is balanced now. Okay. Then next one is ninth. So ninth is HNO3 plus CaOH whole 2 CaOH whole 2 to CaNO3 whole 2 CaNO3 whole 2 plus H2O. Okay, so metal here is calcium. Okay, calcium, both side calcium means metal is balanced. Then nitrogen 1, nitrogen here it is 2, so multiply this by 2. Okay, now come to oxygen. Oxygen is 3 into 6, 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, here oxygen is 3 into 6 plus 1 means multiply this by 2, so 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, okay, 8 oxygen. Now check again whether the metal non-metal are balanced or not. So metal was calcium balanced, non-metal was nitrogen 2 balanced. Oxygen is 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 3 into 6 plus 2, 8 balanced. Come to hydrogen. Hydrogen here is 2 into 2, 4. Hydrogen here is 2 plus 2, 4. So the equation is balanced. Okay. Come to next question. It is 10th and it is NaOH plus H2SO4. NaOH plus H2SO4 to Na2SO4 plus H2O. Na2SO4 plus H2O. So first valence metal sodium it is 2, so multiply here by 2. Okay, then again sulfate SO4 is 1, SO4 is 1, it is already balanced. Okay, then okay, just look for the oxygen. 2 multiplied by 2, hydrogen is equal to 4, so here it is 2 plus 2, 4. The reaction is balanced. Come to 11. 11 is BaCl2 plus H2SO4. It will be BaSO4 plus HCl. Okay, BaSO4 plus HCl. This reaction is example of double decomposition reaction. Okay, okay. So no metal is present. Cl2 here it is 2, it is only 1, so multiply this by 2. Non-metal is balanced. Okay, SO4 is 1 here, SO4 is 1 here. Okay, barium is 1 here, barium is 1 here. Okay, so we will say the reaction is balanced now. Then 12th is calcium hydroxide CaOH whole 2 plus carbon dioxide CO2. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide, it is calcium carbonate plus water, CaCO3 plus H2O. Metal is calcium is balanced both side. Okay, Then come to non-metal. Carbon is 1 year. Carbon it is 1 year. Okay, it is balanced. Oxygen is 2 plus 2 4 year. 3 plus 1 4 year. Hydrogen is 2. Hydrogen is 2. Means it is already balanced. Calcium is 1. Calcium is 1. Okay. 2 hydrogen plus 4 oxygen. 3 plus 1 4 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, 1 carbon. Okay. Okay. The reaction is already balanced. Then comes to 13. 13 is aluminum plus copper chloride. Al plus copper chloride, CuCl. CuCl2. Aluminum plus copper chloride to aluminum chloride, AlCl3 plus copper. Okay. So aluminum is 1, chlorine is 2, chlorine is 3. So what we have to do? Multiply this by 2. It will become equal to 3 into 2, 6. Multiply this by 3, 3 into 2, 6. Chlorine is balanced both sides. But copper here is 3. So multiply this by 3. Copper is balanced. Okay. Oxygen become equal to 2. So multiply this. Sorry. Aluminum become equal to 2. So multiply this by 2. Now check it. Aluminum is 2. Aluminum is 2. Copper is 3. Copper is 3. Chlorine is 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. So the equation is balanced. Then it is 14. Is calcium plus water. Question 14 now. Calcium plus water, Ca plus H2O. It will form CaOH whole 2 plus hydrogen. Okay. Okay. So balance this. So calcium is 1, oxygen is 1, oxygen is 2, multiply this by 2, oxygen is balanced. Okay. Then hydrogen it is 2, hydrogen is 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4, the equation is balanced. Come to 15. 15 is sulfur dioxide, it means SO2 plus, it is oxygen O2, it will form sulfur trioxide SO3. So what? Sulfur 1 balanced, oxygen it is through 2, oxygen here it is 3. So multiply this by 2, 2 into 3 6, multiply this by 3, 3 into 2 6. Okay. Oh sorry, just a minute. Sulfur is balanced. Okay. Oxygen is 2 plus 2 4. Okay. SO2 plus O2 2 SO3. Okay. Sorry. So sulfur is balanced both sides. Oxygen is 3 here and oxygen is 4 here. So what we have to do? Multiply this by 2. So that 2 into 2 4 plus 2 6, and multiply this by 2. So 3 into 2 6. Okay. It is 15 na? Sulfur dioxide SO2 plus O2, and it is forming sulfur trioxide SO3. Okay. So sulfur is balanced. Okay. Then what we have to do? Multiply this by 2, so that it will become 2 into 2 4. Okay. Multiply this by 2. Okay. Now sulfur is 2, oxygen is 2 into 2 4 plus 2 6, 3 into 2 6. Now it is balanced. Okay. Then it is 16, and it is MnO2 plus HCl. MnO2 plus HCl. to MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. Okay. So manganese 1 manganese is balanced. Chlorine is 2 plus 2 4, so multiply this by 4. Okay. Now oxygen is 2 here, oxygen is 1 here, so multiply this by 2. Now hydrogen is 4 here, hydrogen is 2 into 2 4 here. Now check manganese 1 both side, chlorine 4, chlorine 2 plus 2 4 both side, oxygen 2, oxygen is 2, hydrogen is 4, hydrogen is 4, equation is balanced. 17 is Zn plus HCl, Zn plus HCl to ZnCl2. Metal is balanced. Okay, Zn plus HCl plus ZnCl2. This equation is wrong. Okay, this equation is given wrong. Okay, just correct this question. Correct this question 41 17. Okay, 17 of question 41. Correct this question. It is Zn plus HCl to ZnCl2. And if a metal, when a metal reacts with acid, then hydrogen gas is given out, but no hydrogen gas is written here. Just correct this and write here plus H2. Okay, this is the correct reaction. Okay, means you have to add here H2. Okay, now zinc is balanced, chlorine is 2, so chlorine, just balance chlorine. Now what will happen? Hydrogen will become 2, hydrogen is 2. Now the equation is balanced. Okay. So these were some questions on balancing. Okay. Then just come to question number 1. How are chemical reactions expressed in the shortest way? Chemical reactions are expressed in shortest way by writing their symbol. If it is written as hydrogen plus oxygen, okay, gives out water, then you have to write H2 in place of hydrogen, O2 in place of oxygen, and H2O in place of water. So question is, how are chemical reactions expressed in the shortest way? Just write their symbol. Question 2, what is the type of reaction in which the reactant gives simpler products? I have told you about decomposition reaction. Okay, what happens in decomposition reaction? Okay, a substance breaks down to give simpler substances. So answer is decomposition reaction. Question 3, what is the type of reaction in which 2 or more reactants combine to give a single product? Combination reaction. Question 4, in which type of reaction does an exchange of partners take place? I have told you, double decomposition or double displacement reaction. Okay, so answer is double displacement reaction. Question 5, why are chemical equations balanced? Okay, to follow the law of conservation of mass. Okay, if chemical reaction is not balanced, then mass of reactant is not equal to mass of product, and hence it is not following the law of conservation of mass. So to follow law of conservation of mass, chemical equation is balanced. Question number 6, what symbol is used to indicate a solution made in water? Aqueous, AQ. Okay. Question number 7, what type of reaction does occur during the digestion of food inside our body? It is decomposition reaction. Question number 8, what type of reaction is represented by the following equation? CaCO3 to CaO plus CO2. It is decomposition reaction. I have given example. Question number 9, what type of reaction does occur when silver bromide is exposed to sunlight? It is photodecomposition. Two reaction I gave you. One, AgCl when exposed to sunlight will give you Ag plus Cl. Second, AgBr when exposed to sunlight will give you Ag plus Br. Okay, and these two reaction I told you is used in black and white photography. Okay, then question number 10, a solution of a substance is used for whitewashing. Name the substance with its formula. Calcium oxide. Okay, calcium oxide, CaO. We used to, what we do, we dissolve CaO in water. It gives us CaOH, calcium hydroxide. Okay, which is known as lime water, and then we use the lime water to paint our walls. Okay, so thank you. So the left questions we will be doing in our next videos. Okay, thank you.